Welcome back to Calming Clutter with Tracy. I'm going to share today how I keep my house clean with children and a family to help you. And I hope you come along today to get some great ideas. Okay, so this is where our zone cleaning lists are. So this is my pile of cards. And these are the kids' pile of cards. So this is the kids' zones, and they kind of alternate. So if my kitchen day, so if the kids have a kitchen day, it is my dining room day. Like they won't, there's always an opposite, if that makes sense. And then this is their, a friend gave us these from Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace Junior kit. It's super cute. Comes with little envelopes and things like that for them to do. It's for 12-year-olds and our daughter's 13, but it still works. So these stickers came with the kit. And so this is what she's in charge of. So she's in charge of washing her clothes, folding her laundry, putting away her clothes, cleaning her bedroom. And then I'll show you the list in her room. And then load dishwasher, unload dishwasher. So they alternate days. So then they'll color in, because today's Monday, they haven't done anything yet. And then my daughter is assigned zone 3. So then her zone 3 is dining room. So wipe down the dining room table, new tablecloth, wash dog bowls, vacuum, and empty recycling bins. And then my son's list, he's only 10, but he still has quite a big list, which is perfectly fine because he's old enough. And so his zone, he has almost the same one except for the laundry because he can't reach the washing machine inside of it yet. So he'll fold, put away, stuff like that. But then he also is in charge of the toy room downstairs because my daughter doesn't play with toys down there. So, and he's in charge of zone 4. So his zone this week is the bathroom. So he'll change the towel, wipe the counter, clean the sink. He'll clean out the toilet and vacuum and mop and then empty the garbages. So this is the cards laid out. So week 1 is usually the first week of the month, and that's the dining room. And we have just a small little dining room that I'm in right now. So just a small, cute little area. And they're in charge, I'm in charge of this stuff. So I will Windex the window, I will dust and Windex the china cabinet. I will wash the dog bowls, and I'll remove the cycling. Wash the table, and then change the tablecloth. So it's the same kind of... some of them are the same chores as the kids. It's just a way to keep it maintained. And then the front door is a separate one where the kids, dining room is also the front door. So they kind of have to like rearrange the shoes, things like that. And I'm in charge of doing this. So this is a little bit more deeper cleaning than what they would do. And same with the living room, where in our house, I could do this whole room in like 20 minutes. We have a dog. If I could get her to fix the pillows, it would be really nice. But we have our living room and then our front area and then our kid's chair that needs to go to the thrift shop. But then we also have this wonderful area, which I talked about in my last video, but I never shared the actual spot. So this is like our only entrance, and it's usually like this. But because we have a maintenance schedule, it keeps the clutter at bay. So now you can see how I broke this zone down. So that's 3 cards, but I probably could do the whole zone in probably 45 minutes or so. So it's nothing huge, but it just makes the house cleaner. And I'm going to do a deeper clean than the kids would. The kids are just doing like surface kid stuff. Then we live in our master bedroom is in the basement. So we have a big headboard, and then our basement has like a landing and stairs. So I've paired these two together because they are a bigger job just because there's stairs and lots of things. So those are paired together, and those are what I'm in charge of. And then I do like weekly maintenance as well. It's not just I'll vacuum once a month. We have a dog and it needs to be done. Then this is this week, and it is Zone 4, and it is the laundry room and the basement bathroom. The lighting down there is not good, so I wasn't going to share that with you guys today. But I paired the laundry room and the basement bathroom together because they're together, they're side by side. So it's easy. I have everything in one spot. All the cleaning stuff is there. The vacuum is out, so might as well just do the laundry room and the basement bathroom. And then there's like a little hallway that connects the two. Then this is my big week. So our kitchen, I'll clean the microwave and the oven, and then wipe down the fridge, dust the shelves. We have shelving in our kitchen. Windex the windows, organize the cabinets that need it, refill the soap, wash the curtains, or like even just make sure that they're clean. Then wipe down the garbage can, wash the wall by the oven and the garbage, and spot wash the cabinets. That is also on the kids' chores too, is to like wash the cabinets. This is to alleviate spring cleaning. I don't have to do all this in one day. So then the office is right in the hallway. So I did the office the other day. I just decluttered the file sorter, kind of take care of my action items. When I do a paper video, I'll share with you how I do that weekly. And dust the cabinet, just things that need to get done. And then in the bathroom, I'll do a deeper, like a more thorough scrubbing than the kids would. So I do that, and the hallway that connects the two as well. And then the kids' rest of their chores, or the zones, is the kitchen. And then I've left some spots to see if I needed to add any, as well as the living room and the front door. So the front door tidy, and there's shoes. So in the kids' bedrooms, they also have a little list of what needs to get done. So they're clean the bedroom is very vague for children. They need a list. Children actually are list makers. They love lists. They thrive with lists. My kids have always had a list since they were little. Even if when they couldn't read, I just had like a little picture on their list of what it needed to have done to their room. The trick with little kids is you have to let them do it. They're actually really talented at things that we don't give them credit for. We need to let them do it. So if their bed is crooked and their pillow isn't straight, they still did it. So at one point I had to just let go of that perfection and just let them do it, and they were super proud of themselves. And that has gotten me to where I have teenagers who are willing to do the job. They don't feel that I'm going to pressure them. They have to have their bedding straight and their pillows proper now. But it took time to get to this. It's not like people are like, how do you get your teenagers to clean? I've been doing it since they were 2. Like I started little. My little guy would stand at the sink and he would load the dishwasher, or he would wash the dishes. Even though they weren't always clean, he still did it. And also, I don't, and this is my daughter's room, and she has, this is what her list is to clean her bedroom. So everything on this list needs to be done in order for her to check off her bedroom. Now, it doesn't have to be all done in one day. It can be broken down by the day. If she only has time to change her sheets or clear her dresser, whatever, as long as it's done by the Saturday. And my little guy, my 10-year-old, I guess he's not little, has this one. So he has to dust his nightstand, change his sheets, the same thing, just in order to, and then I have vacuum the playroom, which is also his weekly task. I hope that you got some helpful tips and inspiration on how to calm your cleaning routine. I hope that you will check out those links down below, and like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Okay, I am so glad that you were able to come and follow me. Hold on. I am very happy that you were able to come with me today and to share. I am so very thankful for you to... I hope you found this video very helpful in figuring out how to get a cleaning system down as a working parent or as a busy parent. I hope for you to thank you for watching my video. I hope that you found some important points on nothing.